Starting with our first scene, we're importing Sentry from Sentry, NextJS. Sentry is an open-source error tracking tool that helps developers monitor and fix crashes in real time. The next line fetches the Sentry data source name, also known as DSN, from your environment variables. The DSN informs the Sentry SDK where to send the error reports. Finally, we initialize Sentry by calling Sentry init and passing in our DSN. This sets up the foundation for error reporting in our Next.js app. Moving on to the next bit of code, we import Sentry again and then define and export a function named reportError. This function takes an error object as its parameter and uses the Sentry capture exception method to send that error to Sentry. You can call this function anywhere in your application to report errors manually to your Sentry dashboard. In our final scene, we focus on integrating error handling into the main Next.js application component. We start by importing useEffect from React, which lets us run side effects in our functional components. We also import our custom reportError function. Inside the MyApp component, we use useEffect to set up an event listener for JavaScript errors. Whenever an error event is emitted, our handleError function will catch it and use our reportError function to send the details to Sentry. We also ensure to clean up the event listener when the component is unmounted to prevent memory leaks. This global error handler will automatically report any uncaught errors in our app's runtime.